pens and notebook with Coach Ann Jordan debunking for popular weight loss myths. Ayan, Coach Ann, good morning.
Good morning, Coach Jean. Thank you so much. Yan. Good morning sa lahat dito sa ating Zoom and of course sa ating FB Live. Ayan, so before ako i-share yung aking topic, I would like to share my story also, paano ako nakarating dito sa Herbalife. So, I'm Coach Ann Jordan from Silang, Cavite. So I've been in the product for 15 years na. Syempre kung ganun ka nakatagal, talagang ang ganda ng result, 'di ba? So, when I started, actually, I was overseas na talagang nagkaroon po ako ng health challenge na umuwi ako dito sa Pilipinas and I was introduced to this thing called healthy breakfast. So, syempre, gusto mong i-try din and since then, talagang na-in love ako sa ating healthy breakfast, which is the aloe tea and shake. Napakasarap. At the same time, you feel better, yung na-energize ka, alam mo yung nararamdaman mong hindi mo nararamdaman before kasi ang energy level ko talaga before is very low and talagang nag-start din ako nag-gain ng weight. Sabi ko, ano kaya to yung parang ang hirap gumalaw. Pero with our program and ang pinakamaganda dito kasi meron kang coach na tuturo sa'yo at the same time mag-motivate sa'yo. Kasi before parang feeling ko ang hirap naman to inumin na parang walang kanin kasi 'di ba yun yung nakasanayan natin. But talagang nung on my third day na talagang ang ganda na ng pakiramdam ko and ang sarap ng tulog. So, over time, after my results, na-introduce sa akin yung mga um, targeted nutrition natin. I love the cell complex and also yung Herbalife line natin that's added to my healthy breakfast, yung vitamins and minerals natin, and yung fiber and herbs. Talagang ang sarap ng pakiramdam na yung, alam mo yun, yung na-energize ka. So, after that, talagang mas na-enjoy ko yung life ko kasi nag-start ako ng hiking and then yung mountain climbing. So, sabi ko, alam mo yung hindi ko nagagawa before nagagawa ko na. So, thanks to Herbalife kasi talagang ang sarap ng pakiramdam ko. And of course, to our community na ito yung tumutulong sa atin na nagkakaroon tayo ng parang araw-araw na kaalaman, di ba? Um, sa training ng mga, especially yung spectacular natin, dito ko nakita yung bigger event, sa bigger event natin, yung bigger picture ng Herbalife o company natin, at saka yung nagkaroon ako ng unshakable belief sa product natin. Ang saya, kaya we're all excited, di ba? Malapit na yung spectacular natin and also yung ating extravaganza. So, lagi yan pinapalabas para at least ma-remind tayo kasi every year meron tayong ganyan. Ito yung tumutulong sa atin na mag-inspire at saka magkaroon ng unshakable sa product natin. That's why I really love our community and of course yung ating Herbalife na nagbibigay sa atin, lagi nagsusupport sa atin sa ating ginagawa everyday. So yan, this morning, share ko sa inyo yung topic ko. It's debunking four popular weight loss myths. So, ito makikita natin sa ating website. May articles tayo sa www.myherbalife.com. So, if you're member already, pwede nyo pong ma-open tong ating website. Ayan. So alam natin na dito sa ating program, marami talagang more on yung weight loss yung gusto nila. So ito as coaches then, let us remember na when beginning any weight loss program, it's very important na to separate yung good advice sa mga myths, di ba? Kasi minsan, despite being well-intentioned, a lot of yung weight loss pa rin myth have the potential to prevent more progress than they create. Okay? So, yan, next please. Here's the four myths yung about weight loss na kailangan nating i-dismiss din. So, first, yan, next. Ayan, so eating less is the only way for you to lose weight. Tama ba? So actually, next, it's not necessarily true. Okay? So, yung iba, next, ayan. 'Di ba yung sa program natin nakakatuwa naman is hindi naman talaga tayo na nag-skip ng meals or hindi tayo tinuruan ng coach natin na kailangan mong magbawas masyado, 'di ba? Actually, we are advised 5 to 6 meals, frequent siya, pero should be healthy, small amount, and yung tawag nito yung ay protein-based na pagkain, 'di ba? Kasi ngayon, if you can see this in our sa ating slides ngayon, sample natin is the healthy breakfast in the morning, right? Tapos meron pa tayong snacks like 10 a.m. snacks. And of course, yung sa ating yung pinggang Pinoy, 'di ba? Yun naman talagang favorite natin. So, at least complete yung meal natin. Hindi siya basta lang kakain ka ng less is mag-weight loss ka na. Kaya marami ding mga customer natin na nagsasabi, alam mo, sobrang bawas na nga yung kinakain ko, hindi pa rin ako nag-weight loss. Kasi mali pa rin yung way na ginagawa nila. At saka yung quality ng food din na kinakain natin. Okay, next please. Number 2 is, sabi naman is more exercise, automatic weight loss. Hindi po, marami din pong mga nag-exercise as in sobrang-sobrang exercise pero hindi pa rin sila nag-weight loss. Next yan. Next. Ayan, so it's not a license to eat whatever you want pag nag-exercise kayo. Kasi marami pong nag-exercise na pagkatapos, pag kumain naman is hindi naman iniisip kung ano yung calorie na intake nila. So, dapat kasi balance din yung ginagawa natin. Exercise is an important component of any weight loss program. However, what is equally as important is decreasing your caloric intake. So, dapat balance kasi ang sobrang exercise minsan pero yung kinakain natin ang dami naman. So, yun, we have to balance ourselves, pakiramdaman natin yung sarili natin. Kaya ang iba kahit they start with walking, pero yung ah, iniisip naman nila yung intake nila should be yung quality ng pagkain naman. Okay, next. Next is reducing or eliminating carbs is the first step to losing weight. Next. So carbs, remember this, carbs are not the enemy, but carbohydrate quality is very important. Sabi nga, carbohydrates is yung energy-giving food. So kanina na-explain, kaya kanina yung healthy breakfast natin, it's very important na maintindihan natin yung healthy breakfast natin at saka ano yung effect ng kinakain natin. Especially yung carbohydrates, merong refined sugar, mga refined foods and mga complex carbohydrates. So, narinig natin kanina that when we are eating yung mga simple carbs or yung mga refined, grabe yung pag-surge ng blood sugar natin. While if we are eating yung complex carbs, mas slow siya. So it's very important na maintindihan natin yon. Kasi even when we share that to our customer, at 'di ba naa-amaze sila at saka mararamdaman talaga nila. Ako on the third day nararamdaman ko talaga 'yan kasi parang feeling ko iba nga yung pakiramdam mo, mas iba din yung energy mo. Okay? Next. And so nakita ninyo, ito yung ano lang, if you're on your weight loss program, ano lang, swap konti. Pwede yung if you're eating yung white bread, pwede yung ano yung complex carbs, which is yung wheat bread. Tapos instead yung potato, yung sweet potato, yung mga ganun. Simpleng bagay na na-change natin, pero malaking tulong sa katawan natin. 'Di ba? And of course, yung protein-based natin na shake is very important for snacking. If yung iba, sinasabi ko din sa customer, kung hindi pa talaga nila kaya mag-start ng shake with breakfast, gawin nyo sa dinner. Yun. So, para at least, or snacks ninyo, para at least you have yung healthy snacks na protein-based. Okay, next. And Yan. So, marami namang nagsasabi yung mga nag-i-eliminate naman ng mga vitamins or supplements. Okay? So, next. So, it's another myth you want to dismiss. Kasi maraming nagsasabi sa akin na, ay coach, tumataba ako sa vitamins and minerals. Sasabihin nila, sabi ko, i-try nyo yung ating vitamins and minerals. And of course, proper coaching, it's very important. Our vitamins, Formula 2 vitamins and minerals with herbs contains 24 vitamins and minerals to support your daily needs. And of course, may vitamin A, C, E, and zinc na siya that provide antioxidant protection and support normal immune function natin. So, hindi po yan totoo na pag nagwa-vitamins is tumataba. So, it's very important na maintindihan natin kasi kailangan din natin yung vitamins and minerals. Hindi po lahat na basta kinakain natin is nakukuha natin doon ang tamang vitamins and minerals. Sabi nga, if you are yung gusto mo magiging safe, 'di ba? It's like a padlock ito or na talagang tinutulungan niya na i-seal para at least hindi ka masyado ano ng mga sakit-sakit. So it's very important na meron tayong vitamins and minerals. Sabi dito, insurance policy ensure that your body is getting the complete nutrition it needs while losing unnecessary weight. So maraming nag-weight loss na sobra namang ginagawa nila at hindi na sila healthy tingnan dahil kulang din sila ng vitamins and minerals. So, itong vitamins and minerals talaga, talagang kasama natin. Kaya meron siyang tinatawag na Formula 2. Diba? If you're doing the Formula 1, which is our shake, ito Formula 2 natin. Kailangan na masama siya. Ayan. So, next. Ayan, so, ang pinakamaganda kasi we have the Herbalife solution. Okay? Laging tinuturo dito the balanced nutrition. Balanced nutrition is founded on consuming a healthy mix of protein, carbohydrates, beneficial fats, and other nutrients, many of which can be found in science-based Herbalife products. Ito yung why we are so proud of Herbalife kasi talagang science-based po tayo. And of course, the healthy active life. Kailangan natin. This includes, of course, yung regular exercise, rest, and hydration. And of course, yan, we have to remember the 7 pillars of good health. And of course, the personalized program with member support. Dito, hindi ka nag-iisa. You have your coach. At the same time, you have the community na kasama mo dito while you are doing your weight loss program. So a personalized program helps people achieve their goals with one-on-one member and community support. That's Herbalife. That's why I love Herbalife. Next. So ito lang, separating what's real from what's myth is a big step toward crafting a truly effective weight loss program. So there's no shortcut to weight loss. Remember that. And no magic wand. Take the time to learn what makes a truly effective weight loss plan and dismiss the myths. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Thank you so much. Back to you, Coach Jean.
Ako, we learned a lot. Amazing.